Welcome back, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the story about Sam and his cat, Pam. And I hope you saw a lot of M words, a lot of M words. Right now, I would like you to practice making M words, reading and writing. I'm going to show you what to do and how to practice. So you're going to need a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be gray. It might be white. It might be blue. It might be yellow. Whatever color you would like to use. Scissors and a pencil or a pen or a marker, something to write with. So you're going to cut little squares out of that paper. Okay? So you can just fold that paper in half and cut it along that line. And then fold this in half and cut it again. Okay? I would like you to make around 15 squares like this. And then you're going to write some letters on each square. So we're going to start with A, M. So one square, one letter. A, another square, M, another square, H, P, S, W, T, Ch, B, D. Okay? You can pause the video if I was going too fast. You can pause the video and you can just go back to the letters to make sure that you have all of them. Okay? After you are done with writing letters on your squares, you're going to, let me show you, maybe this way, like this. So we have all these cards with the sounds. So you're going to put it on the floor or on the table with the letters facing up so you can see what is on each square. So I'm going to put them here on my little table. I want to see what's on them. Okay? And let's pretend these are puzzles. And you have to make M words with these puzzles. So you need to find the sounds that will build M word. So let's take a look. What do I have here? I'm going to need a right? Because we're making M words. So I know that I need a And the first word that I want to make is, oh, let's start with bam. B, a, bam. And let's remember when we see we can just say m, b, am. I just made my first word, but don't put it away yet. Just leave it on the table. Take another piece of paper and a pencil and copy that word on your paper. Okay, so you can practice writing. I'm just going to write it on the whiteboard, but I would like you to write it on a piece of paper. So that was b, a, bam. Okay, I have one word already. So let's put these back on my table and let's take a look. What is the next word I would like to make? Okay, I know I'm gonna need because we're practicing M words. And I'm going to make this one. S, w, am. S, w, am. That's right. Swam. Swam. So that's the past tense of swim. That means that I already did it in the past, like maybe yesterday. I swam yesterday in the big pool. You got it? So I'm going to write that word on my paper or on my clipboard. S, w, a, m. Swam. Beautiful. And I want you, my friends, to continue and make at least 5 words. If you can make more, that's wonderful. And also, if you think that these words are so easy and I don't really need, I mean, it's always good to practice, but it's easy and I would like a little bit more of a challenge. I would like you to make a sentence. So, to make a sentence, write a sentence that has one or maybe two M words. Okay? You can go back to that video about Sam and his cat, Pam, and maybe it will inspire you. Maybe it will give you some ideas what sentence you can make. So, my sentence would be something silly. I swam, and I'm going to write it. We start with a capital letter because it's a sentence. Swam, swam. I swam in in jam. J a m. Can you imagine swimming in a jam? that that's a very silly sentence. But you can make silly sentences, you can make funny sentences, practice writing M words. And remember, when we write a sentence, we start with the capital letter, we finish with a full stop, and we remember about finger spaces. Okay? So have fun with practicing M words and see you later, alligators. Bye bye.